everyone. I'm Joey Lynn with Star Nursery, and today I am joined with Bronson Mack. He is the Public Information Officer for Southern Nevada Water Authority. Bronson has been having some challenges with his plants due to the extreme intense Las Vegas heat, so he invited me to come and do a Dr. Q's house call. And here we go. How are you, Bronson? Nice to see you.
Great to see you, Joey Lynn. Thank you so much for coming today. You know, I have to imagine that if I'm experiencing some challenges with my plants as a result of this heat that we just experienced this summer, other people probably are also having that same issue. So I'm really glad that we get to talk a little bit about that and share that with the community.
So let's dive on in and see how I can help you. Bronson, what has been giving you the most challenges?
Well, really, it is this privet tree. When we purchased this home, this beautiful tree was lush and huge, and it just really had a beautiful canopy on it. But over the years, I noticed that it started to dwindle, and it started to look like it was struggling, and I started to see some dead branches and need a little assistance there because I think that it's diseased. And the other issue that I'm having is with some small dwarf mock oranges. These are very common in Southern Nevada, so I know plenty of other people are struggling with these plants too.
What I recommend is we add soil amendments. Your best option is to add a great organic mulch, like Dr. Q's pay dirt. Also, we need to evaluate if you have enough emitters. Adding extra low output emitters is going to give you better coverage, which is going to help. And finally, a light pruning of all dead, diseased, broken twigs and branches, and you will see your plants thrive and recover very quickly. Proper irrigation throughout a plant's life is crucial to its ability to withstand our challenging summer conditions. To ensure each plant receives the adequate amount of irrigation needed, monitor your irrigation system regularly. Check for leaks, clogs, or uneven water distribution.
And adjust your irrigation clock with every season. Here in Southern Nevada, we have seasonal watering restrictions. You can only water on specific days of the week depending on the season. You can find your assigned watering days on SNWA.com.
For more information on summer stress in the desert, get our free Star Note number 135 at starnursery.com. Struggling with your plants? Visit any Star Nursery location to purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every blooming thing. I'm Joey Lynn. We'll see you next week when we continue Bronson's house call.